Hi, I'm Michelle from MassageTools.com. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. Today we're looking at the Spa Luxe Pre-moistened towelettes. First of all, these towelettes can be used hot or cold. So when you pull it out, you can simply tear it. It's got this nice, beautiful, heated towelette. And these, like I said, are pre-moistened, smell amazing. These towels are 100% biodegradable cotton. They're individually wrapped, pre-moistened, and there is the single sanitary use. These are great in restaurants, they're great in dentist offices, at gyms. They have a variety of uses. I even use them at home. So they are great on the go or in an office. They are also come in a variety of scents. These are scented with essential oils. We don't use any artificial ingredients or perfumes. So they have amazing scents and they just make you feel great. So if you have any questions about this Spa Luxe product, please feel free to contact us. Thanks.